Hey everyone, welcome back to Careers 360. Today we are going to decode an update from CBSE that got students and parents talking. Two board exam a year for class 10th starting 2026. But wait, is it mandatory to appear for both? Let's break it down. Beginning academic year 2026, CBSE will conduct two board exams annually for class 10 students, one in February and another in May. But here's the key. Only the February exam is mandatory. The May exam is completely optional, designed for students who want to improve their scores. Now, why two exams? This change aligns the National Education Policy 2020, aiming to reduce exam stress and give students a second chance to perform better. But how does it work? Students can reappear in up to three subjects: science, math, social science, and languages in the May exam. The best score between the two attempts will be considered for the final result. Now, there is a relief for special category students. However, the first exam is mandatory for all, but CBSE has given some relief to sports students and winter-bound school students. Sports students can appear in second exams in the subjects which they missed due to their sports event on the exam day. Winter-bound school students have the option to choose the first exam or the second exam to appear. Now, there are some important rules. If a student misses 3 or more subjects in February, they can't appear in May. They will be marked as essential repeat and must retake the exam next year. Students who get a compartment result in February can appear in May under the compartment category. No additional subjects can be taken after passing class 10. CBSE allows students to take additional subjects like skill-based or the third language during class 10. Now, these subjects can help in replacing a failed core subject or boosting the overall performance. However, after passing class 10, the student's subject combination is considered final. They cannot register for a new subject or appear for its exam in the next cycle as a regular or improvement candidate. For example, if a student passed class 10th with 5 subjects and later wants to add computer applications to qualify for a specific stream in class 11th, CBSE won't allow it. Now, for class 12, there is no change. This two-exam policy applies only to class 10th. Class 12 board exam will continue to be held once a year. So, to answer the big question, no, it's not mandatory to appear for both the exams. But if you want to boost your score, the May exam is your golden opportunity. Subscribe for more academic updates. Thanks for watching it. If you found this particular video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow students. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates on board examination, NEET and engineering career.